In this video, we will be discussing the topic of making money online. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for earning income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you are looking to supplement your current income or create a full-time business, there are a variety of ways to make money online. From affiliate marketing and online surveys to freelancing and selling products, we will explore different methods for making money online and provide tips for getting started. So, if you are ready to learn how to make money online, let's get started. Making money online is a relevant topic for several reasons. Firstly, the internet has made it easier than ever to reach a global audience and expand your earning potential. Online platforms and marketplaces allow you to sell products and services to customers around the world, regardless of your physical location. Secondly, the current economic climate has forced many people to look for alternative ways to make money. The rise of the gig economy and the decline of traditional jobs has made it necessary for people to find new ways to earn income. Thirdly, the rise of digital technology has created new opportunities for making money online. From social media marketing to app development, there are many ways to leverage your skills and knowledge to earn money. Lastly, the flexibility and convenience of making money online makes it an attractive option for many people. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent, student or retiree, working online can be a great way to earn money on your own schedule. Overall, making money online is a relevant topic because it offers an accessible, flexible and global way to earn income. In this video, we will be covering several different methods for making money online, including affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based method where you promote other people's or companies' products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Online surveys. This method involves completing online surveys for companies and receiving payment in return. Freelancing. This method involves offering your skills and services to clients on a contract basis. Freelancing can include anything from writing and graphic design to web development and programming. Selling products online. This method involves creating or sourcing products to sell on online platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. Online courses and ebooks. Creating and selling your own online courses and ebooks can be a great way to share your knowledge and make money online. Influencer marketing. This method involves leveraging your social media following to promote products and services and earn money through sponsored posts or affiliate marketing. We will be discussing each of these methods in more detail and providing tips and resources for getting started. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based method of online marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Affiliates typically promote a business or product through their own personal networks, websites, or social media channels and earn a commission for each sale made as a result of their promotion. In this method, the affiliate is provided with a unique referral link or code, which they can use to promote the product or service. When a customer clicks on this link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. The commission percentage or amount can vary depending on the product or company. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online because it allows you to earn money by promoting products or services you believe in, and it doesn't require you to create or manufacture a product of your own. You can be an affiliate marketer regardless of your experience or background, as long as you have a platform or audience to promote to. Overall, affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's or companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. There are many affiliate programs available, but some popular examples include Amazon Associates. Amazon's affiliate program is one of the most well-known and widely used. It allows affiliates to promote any product on Amazon and earn a commission on each sale. ClickBank. This is a digital marketplace that connects businesses with affiliates. It offers a wide variety of products in different niches that affiliates can promote. Commission Junction, CJ. This is another affiliate network that connects businesses with affiliates. It offers a wide range of products and services in various niches. ShareSale. This is a popular affiliate network that offers a wide range of products and services, including fashion, home goods, and software. Rakuten Marketing. It is one of the largest affiliate networks. It offers a wide range of products and services across various niches, including travel, e-commerce, and education. PartnerStack. This is a SaaS affiliate program that connects businesses with affiliates to promote their software and services. Bluehost Affiliate Program. This program is for website hosting and domain registration. It offers a commission for every customer referred to them. These are just a few examples of popular affiliate programs, but there are many others available in a wide range of niches. To find affiliate programs that align with your interests or audience, you can search online for affiliate programs in your niche or check out affiliate networks like the ones mentioned above. Understand your audience. The most effective way to promote affiliate products is to understand your audience and what they are looking for. Tailor your promotions to their interests and needs. Create valuable content. Create valuable content that provides real value to your audience. This could be blog posts, videos, or social media updates that educate them about the product or service you're promoting. Use social proof, share testimonials or reviews from other customers who have used the product or service. This can help build trust and credibility with your audience. Be transparent, be upfront and transparent about your affiliate relationships. Let your audience know that you will earn a commission if they purchase through your referral link. For SEO, optimize your content for search engines. This will help your content to rank higher in search engine results and increase your visibility. Use retargeting ads. Use retargeting ads to promote affiliate products to people who have already visited your website. These ads will be more effective than general ads because they are targeted to people who have already shown an interest in your content. Leverage email marketing. Send out email campaigns to your subscribers promoting the affiliate products. Keep in mind that personalization and segmentation will increase the chances of your email being opened and read. By following these tips, you can promote affiliate products effectively and increase your chances of earning a commission. Remember, it's important to be consistent, persistent, and to keep testing different strategies to see what works best for you and your audience. Second, freelancing. Freelancing is a way of working independently as a self-employed individual rather than being employed by a single employer on a permanent basis. Freelancers typically offer their services to multiple clients on a project-by-project or contract basis. Freelancing can be done in a wide range of fields and industries, and the services that freelancers can offer are virtually limitless. Some common types of freelancing services include writing and editing. Freelance writers and editors can provide services such as content writing, blog writing, copywriting, technical writing, and editing services. Graphic design. Freelance graphic designers can provide services such as logo design, brochure design, web design, and packaging design. Web development and programming. Freelance web developers and programmers can provide services such as website development, app development, and software development. Marketing and advertising. Freelance marketers and advertisers can provide services such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and email marketing. Consulting. Freelance consultants can provide services such as business consulting, financial consulting, and legal consulting. Virtual assistants. Freelance virtual assistants can provide services such as administrative tasks, scheduling, customer service, and data entry. Photography and videography. Freelance photographers and videographers can provide services such as event photography, product photography, and videography services. Translation and interpretation. Freelance translators and interpreters can provide services such as translating documents and interpreting in real time. These are just a few examples of the types of services that freelancers can offer. Here is a list of popular freelancing platforms where freelancers can find work and connect with clients. Upwork. This platform connects freelancers with clients in a wide range of industries and fields, including writing, graphic design, web development, and marketing. Fiverr. This platform is focused on small, one-time projects and is popular for digital and creative services such as logo design, voiceovers, and video editing. Freelancer.com. This platform is similar to Upwork and connects freelancers with clients in a wide range of industries and fields. People Per Hour. This platform connects freelancers with clients in a wide range of industries and fields, with a focus on small businesses and entrepreneurs. Guru. This platform connects freelancers with clients in a wide range of industries and fields, with a focus on long-term projects and partnerships. Setting up a freelancing profile. To set up a freelancing profile, you'll need to create an account on a freelancing platform such as Upwork or Freelancer.com. Once you have created an account, you'll be prompted to fill out a profile with information about your skills, experience, and qualifications. Make sure to include an up-to-date resume, a professional photo, and a detailed description of the services you offer. Also, include your rate, hourly or project-based, and your availability. In addition, it's a good idea to include examples of your work, such as writing samples, graphic design portfolios, or web development projects. This will help potential clients see the quality of your work and will increase your chances of getting hired. And continuously work on improving your skills. This will help you stay competitive and increase your earning potential. Manage your finances, keep track of your income and expenses, and consider setting up a separate bank account for your freelancing business. Take care of yourself. Freelancing can be stressful and demanding. Make sure to set aside time for yourself, maintain a work-life balance, and take care of your mental and physical well-being. By following these tips, you can build a successful freelancing business that is both profitable and satisfying. Remember, building a successful freelancing business takes time and effort, but with hard work, dedication, and consistency, you can achieve your goals. Third, selling products online. There are many different types of products that can be sold online. Here are a few examples. Physical goods. These are tangible items such as clothing, electronics, home goods, and books. They can be sold through an e-commerce website, through marketplaces like Amazon, or through social media platforms. Digital products, these are non-tangible items such as ebooks, courses, software, and music, can be sold through an e-commerce website or through marketplaces like the Apple App Store or Google Play. Dropshipping products, these are products that are sold by an online retailer but are shipped directly from a supplier or manufacturer. This model allows the seller to avoid the cost and hassle of maintaining inventory. Custom-made products, these are products that are created to order, such as custom-made jewelry, furniture, and clothing. Wholesale products, these are products that are sold in bulk to retailers or other businesses rather than to individual consumers. Affiliate products, these are products that are promoted by an affiliate marketer who earns a commission for each sale. This is not an exhaustive list, and there are many other types of products that can be sold online. It's important to keep in mind that the key to success in e-commerce is finding a niche product in demand. Here is a list of popular marketplaces for selling products online. Amazon, one of the largest online marketplaces in the world, Amazon offers a wide range of products and services in various categories, from books and electronics to home goods and fashion. Etsy, a marketplace focused on handmade and vintage items, as well as unique factory-manufactured items. Etsy is a great platform for selling art, crafts, jewelry, and clothing. eBay, one of the oldest and most well-known online marketplaces, eBay offers a wide range of products and services in various categories, from electronics and collectibles to home goods and fashion. Alibaba, a B2B marketplace that connects small and medium-sized businesses with suppliers and manufacturers. It's a great platform for wholesale products and dropshipping. Rakuten, a Japanese e-commerce company that operates marketplaces in different countries, such as Rakuten.com in the US and Rakuten.co.uk in the UK, it's a great platform for a wide range of products and services. Shopify, Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create your own online store. It's a great platform for selling digital and physical products. The video describes the different types of products that can be sold online, such as physical goods, digital products, services, subscription-based products, dropshipping products, custom-made products, wholesale products and affiliate products, and memberships. It also shares a list of popular marketplaces for selling products online. Now that you have a good understanding of the various methods for making money online, it's time to take action and start earning money online. The internet is a vast marketplace, and there are opportunities for anyone who is willing to put in the time and effort. So don't wait any longer, start taking action today and start earning money online.